How to fix MS Teams app error code 53003. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection if you have strong and stable internet connection or not. For that, you can launch any of the app that runs with internet other than Microsoft Teams. If app doesn't work, that might be the issue in your internet, so you can give a fresh restart to your router. Likewise, open your settings. Now open this option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Now click on forget this network and rejoin it. Likewise, hit back. Now you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now heading towards other solutions, open your app store. Now you will need to update the app to its latest version, so search for the app MS Teams. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings. You have to clear cache for the app, so scroll down. Go ahead and click on the option of General. Now, open this option iPhone Storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Microsoft Teams. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, you can close this. Now go ahead and long press on the Teams app. Different options will pop up. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. You have just deleted this app from your device. Now launch your app store. Search for the app Microsoft Teams. Once app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Microsoft Teams app error code 53003. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.